Good evening. I'm Nasha Isaac Biroas and this is my presentation on my laboratory activity 1.2, Design Critic. This is the website I'm going to review. Discord. Oh. Discord is generally easy to learn, especially for user familiar with messaging platforms. The interface is very intuitive and clear navigation through channels and servers. When the login, you can log in with your QR code, or if you don't have an account, you can register. I have an account, so I will log in and show you the main of the Discord. This is the interface of the Discord. Discord is efficient for real-time communication. Like in the server, you can just join here and communicate with your friends. The chat and voice channels work smoothly, and the platform is designed for quick interaction. Discord is memorable for users who frequently engage with it. The organization of server and the channels is logical, so users can quickly recall where specific discussion can take place. Discord has built-in features to prevent common errors. For example, it provides confirmation prompts before users to leave a voice channel or delete a message, reducing the likelihood of accidental actions. Like if you if you typographical error on your chat like this, you can delete it with delete message. Overall, Discord is widely popular and satisfies the needs of various user communities. The platform regularly updates with new features, addressing user and feedback, and improving the overall user experience. That's all. Thank you.